Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So for New Year's this year, a lot of us are staying home, and for me, it's just me and my husband. So I wanted to make something festive and make a little romantic dinner for two. And so I'm gonna show you what my tablescape looks like and how I created a nice little romantic dinner for two. And what I made for dinner was very, very easy. I just grilled up some chicken. I'm cooking up some fresh fettuccine, and I'm using a jar alfredo sauce to make it really easy for me. And then I'm gonna be making a cocktail. So I'm gonna show you where I got the recipe from for the cocktail, and show you how easy that is. So I like to collect holiday magazines that come with some terrific recipes over the years. And this one is Sandra Lee, semi-homemade. And this is actually from 2010. So every year I pull out all my old magazines and get some really great recipes. So what I'm going to be making for our cocktail is this champagne cocktail, and it calls for chilled white cranberry juice. My grocery store didn't have white cranberry juice, so I got pink, so that'll be just as good. 2 tablespoons of vanilla vodka, half a cup of chilled champagne. And you could garnish it with a sugar cube. I didn't get any sugar cubes, but I'll show you how I did my table just to give it a little bit of something special. And for dessert, I did something very light. I've been eating like so many cookies and so many sweets. So I wanted to do something that wasn't going to be that crazy for dessert. So I did some macaroons, and just gave it a little bit of a festive look for my table. So I'm going to show you the tablescape. I'm going to plate the food, make the drinks, show you what it looks like. So here's my tablescape. Real simple. I have my festive plates and my dollar store chargers, my festive napkins, and some candles. And that's it. And it's a romantic dinner for two. As I said, I'm making a chicken broccoli alfredo for dinner, and I have my grilled chicken, and I'm just going to slice that up into bite-sized pieces. And then my broccoli is fresh broccoli that is in a microwavable bag, and you just put it in the microwave for 3.5 minutes and it's steamed. And then I have my noodles cooking, and so now I'm gonna make my drink. So it calls for, half a cup of this and 2 tablespoons of that. I'm gonna eyeball it and just make 2 drinks. So I'm going to open up my champagne, and you want to make sure you don't, get anybody in the eye. Woo! All right, so that I'm going to pour, this is not much of my vanilla vodka left, so I'm just going to put some in there. That's good. I don't want to get us wasted or anything. And then I'm going to put my pink cranberry juice in there. Okay. And then I'm going to shake her up. Shake it up good. Get it nice and cold. All right, and then I think I'll pour my champagne in the glasses. And then we'll put some of this in here. Ooh, it looks like a pretty color. All right, now we're gonna have a little taste so you can shut it off. Happy New Year, guys.
Yeah. Happy New Year.
And then I'm gonna taste it.
Delicious.
Mmm. It's not sweet. Yep. But my man wants to eat. I'm gonna get eaten. So cheers, everyone. Happy New Year. May you all have health and happiness.
And prosperity.
And prosperity in 2021. Yay, 2021. Bye-bye, 2020.